Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from HDFC to CIBC, and this is actually very easy. So watch till the very end to understand all of it. So what you need to do is actually use something called Remit now, and after that you need to click on the net banking and go to funds transfer tab, and from there you're going to click on foreign outward remittance, and then it's going to ask you for all of the information. So click on that, and then to add it, all you need to do is go to net banking into the funds transfer tab and then select transfer within the bank option, and then you're going to fill in all of the information and then click on continue, and you're going to click on confirm. And to do the remit funds abroad, all you need to do is go to net banking and then to funds transfer one more time, click on foreign outward remittance and fill up all of the information, click on confirm, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.